Okay.
Hi guys, girls, and today we cooking hot dog, and we have a late night now. I have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and now you have to chop carefully.
Small pa na. Small pa. Yan. Kasi lalagyan natin ng egg later. Dapat ma-chop, malipat dito. Yan, ganun. Opposite side. Okay, ganun. And then side. Okay.
While they're making them,
Put side food mo.
Mama Len, they're taking the hot dogs a bit, and then
Yan lang. Yan. Dito. Oh, sige si mama. Okay. Okay. Next.
Next, the normal hot dog. And
Careful. Ah, stop ko na.